Welcome back. Now the first tab you're going to see is Magic Design. And you're going to see it is designed for you to start with your idea, typing that idea into Canva, and then allowing Canva to generate ideas of specific templates for you to edit. It will also allow you to apply your brand kit, which are the colors that you typically use inside of Canva. To demonstrate this element of the brand kit, I'm going to close out of Magic Design. We're then going to go to the brand area. Now, what you'll notice here is that there is a logo here for the Pro account. So having a brand kit is part of having the Pro account. We're now going to click brand. What we're going to click here is the brand kit. And basically, it is an area where you're going to determine what the colors are going to be, as well as specific elements of your brand kit. If we click inside of the brand kit, you're going to see that there are specific elements. If you want to change elements, you can do that. The one element that you may want to make changes to is you're going to see here that there is a brand voice. And basically, you're going to see here that what Canvas says is that Magic Write can write in a way that sounds like your brand. Now to do that, you're going to click on this element that says add your brand voice. You can then click save. Now, if you have teammates that are working with you, they will be sharing this brand kit and working with it for projects created in the team space in Canva. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.